kwani akai alama ni polo nesina kugana ngara kinso ai so mai kina hamsu mununi seko kai amara nete sita webu ya motoka era Akangasia tueno ngari
Mamerai Rose ayo bon na Amukuran Town Council Bongora District ya wamite bay temono kineta Amukuran na Orotin atwaction yo nenda motoka kai piki ndam
ya di la Akangasia atakanuna toni kopana da polo aya una igwana kina Amukuran na ne o center akita polo bera ya la mane polo no na raje ndo be yu no silo kwa ne ka tonga idu elo esemero ne pepe ke di mojo nga ida tonga lo edita gogo lo etubutu bete ro
a pola nga ya la man noi anu apuga neta mangoliar soda ai baking soda a hamsin tu akia tonga lo ku noi tonga lo pola nera twanyaro na kala ke tonga ko molo deo so sami bringa apuga na ngoliar soda bere
Agasi na kirare mukoki e polisi lai ait noelo se Kongora District ngese abala ebe o karolo ilukumi yale kita kese dalu are bon Akangasia akasakanya ngoni kenyu ni kese apotu kesi iwadi ka otuneda atwa katare tunga kese ranu kan kosodeta kwata kedikan ai musumun anyo na oja kitoni mukura bere bon
Karula 2022 Akangasia anu adolto sa isakanya ngono kadika nyeuni potu kese ranu kanyo tokata kusode limusumuna ara kwata kadika rasa motokan akaisa kanyika didopet sodo walo pikipikin rasi akaisa kanya beka didopet
kwa Uganda Kere reporter iposin kesi to dunto sebe apota twakisha Orotin yata kinoski kitoni tom nakanya pichunya kanya on kangulu kwata apolo kebe anyo no lukumniuni akwata kanya la kasakanya nukanyare okarulo ilukumni yale keda keserandio kitoni ilukumniuni keda kwata kanya ngoni diope okarulo atubore emukoki keda MP na bel Kongora District Stella apolo tisodo kesi abala sebe apoto keso remosi ya lipana sipono kina Amukuran rotolo soroti kumi kanwa na poti ya takinos.
Ngina dofi boroto mobora lua bunge juka. Ai monyo kaneja lua yunura. Nada gwe kinere konya kaulo na ekare dopet.
Lapi olupagete ukarwaje. Apota dumutu elalale pol yarero titunga edole motoka Amukuran o stage ateke toto rangoro emaido. Warikata ngebalua neja e ministry so dolo kinona bo Miss Musa Echweru. Ebe kwa ikisaiwo kotunga abwa nyara chutabunere obobwe meeting mukura omiebe ko ngunu mojibore idauja elipun idara le Musa pakine woji
elipido kwa nibone be zebra crossing do boni kwa emame ane kwa ejene ngobe e pode kesa igwake kachuto center pota Akangasia nguna ikidio koro kama sama munda nare isi put around maybe 0.5% edolete keso center ne ishare speed do para kaisare kwa 20 kilometers per hour.
Karaida volunteer pota iposin kwa Uganda ebe atokshonu elomnente kaneja situnga kwa pena aipilitoi nese yangaoni eyaslo Akangasia agirigira na Kongora District Helen Amulen Okalebo nese abalebe aitenitina erotoda yangaonta Akangasia no
atwa katito kwa Akangasia amesi pidin nare rioro so eyala mangama pekakini hamsini eyuari tidovere
Aradi bika kita hamsi mun mamerai bon belo sidala mare Akangasia choti konya kota ngai lipio na choi kini kusumai road ari masit mami Kere road konya anyu tuboni kusumai road kone la jok kusumai borobli Kere ono kone la jok
engineer los Orotin Dennis Ochung ngesi abalebe amamus etekera kamatokan luipu alos taitudoro nesiasi Akangasia kwa balebe mamera dota spono kina Amukuran Orotin lo ojakadam na arai emunare tamatokan kada angaleo na itunga.
The drivers that we have in Uganda, sorry to say, that most of our drivers do not go through a driving school. Even if you have not gone to a driving school, they would actually get these road signs, and then you understand. Let us sort out the people who drive the vehicles must really understand what they are driving. These third-hand vehicles, fourth-hand, these are the ones which are causing us problems. Harms are not even provided for anywhere in the law, but they put it there because People don't read the road signs, and that's why you see those accidents. So for a short term, it may save accidents, but it's also going to affect the usage of the road. It creates other challenges like fuel maintenance, damages on the cars. For me, the best is one, train the drivers, the schools, let them learn to read the road signs. The police should be deployed as you enter trading center. So the roads are narrow, the traffic has increased, and the thinkers and designers of the roads, the financiers, are still maintaining the same road. I would propose government should digitalize enforcement of traffic on roads.
Kwenye rabano unram Alan Sempebwa Chobe ngesi abalebe karada mama busaketi kesi asiponoki na Amukuran Orotin delose na lwana noi kwenye isomate kesi ngun akaula dumun aimonyo kaneja situnga kaishisha unjokan ebe ibusakinta bosingini ajangeda Amukuran ngun.
So sometimes actually if you put so many again they become an inconvenience to road users. So we do careful studies before we actually install these humps. But humps in themselves alone do not actually solve the problem. Or the solution would be to check our own driver behaviors and habits while we're on the road. Because it is indisciplined driving, careless driving that is the root cause of accidents on our road. You can actually put a hump and actually cause again accidents.
Ayatok nwangalo ka kwa Kere Albonat World Health Organization nesia balebe itunga ilukumni kada kwa takanyare kese twakete korotin kangoli pat Delax Emi Alamu Tolbat Edait Kanuka TV is